Hey guys, B-Man Dan here with We Save Bees, and say hi girls. They are, well, I can do this. They're right here inside this compartment. Their entrance is right there. So I'm gonna be cutting into the stucco and then take the bees out. Wish me luck. All right, after 3 layers of wall, here are the bees. Peekaboo. All right, here's another look at them. And they probably go up another, Jesus, looks like another 6 inches or so. Let's see if I have a good angle on that. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, here's one of the larger pieces. This is the middle one, and that's all capped brood. Really strong, healthy queen. Lots of food, lots of forage, lots of pollen, nectar. Not a lot of honey, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be inside. I missed probably 2 inches of this colony from the top of where they're hanging from. So, all right, back to work. All right, so here is most of the honeycomb cleaned out. I'm not going to clean up all of it because we're in a retail situation and I want to make sure they stay contained to this piece of honeycomb at least, which looks like they are, and that's great. There's a couple other clusters. I'll pick those up. Actually, let's see if I can reach and scoop at the same time. Oh, hi girls. There you go. Oops. Sorry, Blair Witch style. Got girls. Just like cats, they go inside boxes. And it does smell like honeycomb in there, so it's a little bit more alluring. Massive scoop. Okay, and here are the bees inside the box. They are not quite on the honeycomb, which is what I was hoping for, but that's okay. I'm gonna let them settle a little bit longer. But as far as the project goes, the bees are out, and hopefully we got the queen. But have a good day, guys. Thanks for visiting, and remember to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.